here, and we're gonna add the cornmeal. Here's my okra, guys, all steamed and ready for my saltfish that I prepared. Hey guys, welcome back to another video here. Welcome back to self-care, health and wellness. Guys, we're going to prepare codfish, saltfish. Yes, in Jamaica we call it saltfish, but other persons call it codfish. So I'm going to prepare codfish, saltfish there with okra. Yes, delicious. Yes, guys, and these are the ingredients. We have the ground season, the garlic here, the sweet pepper, hot scotch bonnet pepper, tomato, onion. So these are some of the seasoning with the okra and the saltfish here. So stay tuned, guys, for the end result. You're gonna combine, yes, a combination of caramel dumpling and Irish potato. So like the video, guys, like it up, share it up, and subscribe. Tell me in the comment section, guys, if you ever eat okra and saltfish before. Yes, guys, delicious meal. Gonna prepare these and then comes back to you, guys. Yeah, subscribe. Okra, guys, this is what the okra looks like. Yes, yummy okra. I so love okra, guys. Tell me in the comment section, guys, if you do love okra. So I'm gonna cut up these, guys. Yes, and let you see what it looks like. All the ingredients. Yeah. Here is the saltfish, codfish in the pot, boiling. After I washed off the excess salt, here it is now, guys, boiling off the salt. Boiling, cooking, guys. And that's the codfish there. Saltfish. Yes. Yummy for my okra and saltfish. Here is the flour. Yes, this is the flour. So to make the dumpling, gonna add some cornmeal to it now. So that's the white flour. And we're gonna add the cornmeal, the maize. Yes, so to make cornmeal dumpling. Yes. So this is what it looks like, guys. Then I'm gonna add some salt to the flour. Here's the salt. So I'm gonna add some water and knead the flour, then make the dumpling. Guys, you will see the after result, right? Yeah, that's what it looks like. Flour, white flour, and cornmeal, otherwise maize. This is what it looks like, guys, when I combine the cornmeal. So this is what it looks like, guys, when I combine the cornmeal and the flour together. Yes, it becomes a dough. And this is what the dough looks like. Here it is, guys. Yes, so we get an end result like this, guys, and then I will make the dumpling from here. Yes, I'll come back with the finished product, guys. I'm gonna finish up this one. Here it is, guys, all my seasoning, sauteing. Yes, all my seasoning, sauteing. Here am I gonna add a okra. Yes. Gonna leave it now to steam. Yes, my okra Now we're gonna pour some water inside of it and let it now to steam. Yes, let it steam. Wow, there's a big one there. No worries, let it still there and steam, guys. Yes, and this is what's going on over here. Irish and dumpling boiling. Okra steaming here. Yeah. Stay tuned, guys, for the end product. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Here's my okra, guys, all steam and ready for my saltfish that I prepare early and pickle. So I'm going to add the saltfish now to the okra. Remember I said okra and saltfish. Yes, we are going to add some black pepper. Yes, that is it. Before, guys, I had some Maggi. So I already add some Maggi to the okra already. So this now I'm going to stir in everything, combine everything together. Right, guys, and okra is excellent for our bones, excellent for women who are pregnant. So I'm going to leave this information in the description section so you can see the benefits of okra, right, guys? Yes, look how delicious it is. Gonna come back, guys, with the finishing product. Here it is, guys, our okra and saltfish ready. Yeah, there it is, guys, the finished product of our okra and saltfish. Look at it, guys. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And cornmeal dumpling with Irish potato. Look at it, guys. Come and have your share. Come and take your share, guys. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Yes, guys, share, share, share. This is our okra and saltfish along with cornmeal dumpling and Irish potato. Yummy, yummy. Thanks for watching.